Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world.
So guys, the coin that you are seeing in front of you is actually a normal circulating coin from India. This 5 rupees is considered to be one of the costliest 5 rupee in the Indian market for a coin that was in general circulation. But how do you get to know about the details, pricing and everything? Because pricing is one big thing that is affecting the Indian numismatic markets, because half of the people don't know what is the exact price, so they get cheated by a lot of greedy people in the market who just want to sell out their goods in a very high price, which might not be a correct price for the coins. So in today's video I'm not going to explain about pricing and everything, but I'm going to talk more about the recent edition of Sainath Reddy's book, The Indian Coinage. So guys, yes, the 8th edition of Sainath Reddy's Indian Coinage book is out now in market. Now today's agenda is just to give you a brief introduction of what the book is about, my views on the book, as well as what if the difference that this edition is having from the previous edition. All those things I will be covering in this video, so watch the video without skipping, so that you can make a proper decision before buying this book. So guys, Indian coinage is one of the standard catalog that is followed by numismatics in India to know about the details about coins, the pricing and everything. This book contains almost everything about Indian coins starting from the British era. This is a great book that is written by Sainath Reddy, and especially the book that I got directly from him, and I'm very happy that he has given me an autograph version of this particular book. So Sainath Reddy, if you are watching this video, I'm very grateful and thank you for sending me an autograph version. I really love this book and everything. So guys, most of the people who I have discussed about this particular book ask me what is the difference between its previous edition, should we get this new edition, if there is lot of difference and everything. And another question that I got is that is the PDF version is available or not. So guys, let me start by saying that every kind of authors, not Sainath Reddy, but every kind of authors in numismatic books, they have put a lot of effort for creating these books and everything. Now you are getting the book in a PDF form for free is actually you are disrespecting their work, the hard effort that they have put for creating this book. So I will always recommend that you people buy this book, not only because PDF is not that easy to check with. For example, if I'm checking this particular coin, I don't want to scroll through my phone and or my laptop and see what is this coin and everything. It's always better to keep a book in format, so that you can easily cross check, mark this thing. Here, for example, in this book you can see a particular portion where you can make a mark whether you have added this particular coin or not. So I recommend that you people buy this book. Now about the 8th edition, now I have the 7th edition also with me. So here what I'm doing is a comparison of what are the changes that have made in this particular edition, so that you can make a decision whether to buy this book or not. I strongly recommend that you buy this book because there is a lot of additions. Let's look into the addition one by one. So the main addition that I have seen in this 8th edition is the change of pricing. All the coins, the prices are revised actually. For example, sir has actually took a lot of effort. I had seen that particular video of launch of this book. Sir has talked about his experience in creating this book, what all efforts that he had put to create all this book. So this is one of the important addition that I have seen in this book is the change in pricing, the rarity of the coins and everything, because coins get rarer or cheap, more common in the market depending upon the availability of the coin in the market. So this is one of the standard book that can be used for pricing. Like, I'm not saying that 100% this book should be completely followed by everyone in the market, but this can be considered as a base for like pricing the coins in India. And again, he has like shown almost every coin from the British era is being like kept here, like added to this book. Even the Portuguese era coins are like added to this book. Like every details of the coin, like including from the metal weight, shape, size, everything is like added in this particular book. For example, like you can see the like 1 pice coin of India. Everything is like added and updated in this book. Then another thing that I noticed is from the proof set part of this particular book, because like if you're going through the previous edition, the proof sets were like only up to like 2019. So like you can see, this is the previous edition in my hand. So in the previous edition he had made additions for the proof set to like the proof set actually had only talked about the MGR's coin, but in this new edition, after like adding the MGR's coin, he has like added more details about the Jallianwala coin, Wala Bag coin from towards like all those coins that were like like issued recently has been like added in this particular edition of this book. Like everything is like given in a very detailed manner. So like this is a must have if you are like at least like semi serious into the collection. Also the release printing, everything is like given in this particular book, and this book is like language neutral to my understanding, because it's not like you can't read English or like you only know any vernacular language won't be a problem for any particular person who is like collecting coin from India. Because like see, there is a picture of the coin, you just need to like look into the ear and like you will get the details of everything, and from here you can like understand the price and everything. So that's like more or less about this edition of this coin, Indian coinage book. And Sainath Redapasar has like put a lot of effort to like update this coin. Now I can't like show the entire page by page, because that's again the violation of rights of Sainath Redapasar. So I have actually took like special permission from Saisar to like give this like update to people about and my review and everything. So my conclusion is that yes, this update is good for like collectors who wanted to know the current market value of their coins, what all are the additions made, how much coins are like more or less available in the market, and everything you can actually know about it, and you will get a better idea of like which all mints were like issued, what may be the possible amount of like coins issued from a particular mint in that particular market, in the current market in India for coins. So everything is given in a very detailed manner, and I urge all of you to like if possible get a copy of this. I have given actually in the description the link from where I have purchased. It is from the website of Indian Coinage, indiancoinage.in. So you can purchase a copy of this particular book from that website. And once again, thank you Sainath sir for like letting me to do this particular review, as well as keeping up with an 8th edition of this particular coinage, Indian coinage book. We all are like really thankful for your contribution to the Indian numismatic community. And also guys, so if you like this particular video, or if you know someone who is like into numismatic and want to know about their coins value and everything, please share this video with them so that they can get an understanding and make a decision on whether they need to buy this particular edition of Indian coinage book or anything. Also if you like this particular video, please do give me a like and share this particular video. Also subscribe to the channel so that you will get all the interesting video that is coming up in the channel related to coins and currencies around the world without missing. So till meeting with a new video, bye bye.